Yeah, Monday, 20th of April, up here at my little building. I brought this little metal table from the house. It needs some attention. I'll wire brush it, get off any loose paint, and repaint it with some of my good paint. One of my tomato transplants died, so I bought a replacement plant. This is a red beefsteak heirloom variety. I was going to buy some broccoli to put in the ground, but the place I go to had no broccoli. They already sold it all. I said, oh, we'll come back in September, or I can go to a big box store. And a day or two ago, we got quite a bit of rain at the house, and I can't see where I got diddly squat here. I checked my rain gauge bucket. It was dry. Garden doesn't look terrible, but weather says it might rain tomorrow. We'll see. You see my little radishes popped up real good. I got a few more squash that popped up. I put 3 seed per hill. Got 2 there, none there, none there, 1 there. One there, and 1, 2, 3 there. 2 there. So hills I got none. It's easy enough to put more seed in the ground. I got plenty of seed. And all my seed sets looking good except for that one that died. I get that one tomato plant in the ground and cage it today. Get that taken care of. All my okra's doing real good. My little bell pepper's just thriving. All my tomato sets, these are little small ones you buy in the 6-pack, and they are thriving. So all that lime I put on the garden spot, I put a 50-pound bag on this little bitty garden last fall. I think that corrected my soil problem. It must have been pretty acidic. She's doing good now. I got room for 2 more short rows of radish. About here to the manhole cover there. Could do that. If I stay on top of the green undesirable growth, which I hope I do this year, it's not hard to maintain. I bought that little corded electric tiller. It is seriously a piece of junk, but for stuff like this, I'm thinking it would be ideal. I'm looking for my sunflower seed. Oh, there's 1, 2. That's a sunflower. That's a sunflower. That's a sunflower. And I just pulled the seed out of the birdseed mix, and that's what I planted. So they're trying. But anyway, let me dig a hole and put my new tomato plant in the dirt. And City's doing something next door, ain't got a clue. Grass mowed it Friday, I think. Birdie, look downright fresh. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.